Hello all, welcome to session 20 of Selenium Python training series. In this session, I am going to explain about Selenium IDE at a very basic level. So let's get started. First of all, what is this Selenium IDE? Selenium IDE is one of the components of Selenium. As you can see here, Selenium has 4 different components, and Selenium IDE is one of the components of Selenium. In this session, I am going to explain about the Selenium IDE at a very basic level. You don't have to learn Selenium IDE in depth, guys. I'll simply show how to install and use Selenium IDE at a very basic level. So let's get started. Open any browser, guys. Say Chrome browser. Open the Chrome browser here and search for selenium.dev. And here on the home page of selenium.dev, you will see something known as Selenium IDE. Click on this download button. You'll be taken to the downloads page and scroll down until you see Selenium IDE. You see this is a Selenium IDE. And I want to download and install the Selenium IDE for the Chrome browser. So I'll be clicking on this for Chrome. So you'll be taken to the Google Chrome web store for the Selenium IDE. Just click on add to Chrome and click on add extension. Selenium IDE will be installed in your browser as an add-on or extension in a moment. As you can see, it got added to the Chrome browser. That's enough, guys. Now click on this manage extensions and pin it so that you can directly access from here. Once you have installed Selenium IDE in any of the browsers like say Chrome, then open the application that you want to automate here. Let's say I will go to this application, copy this URL, then click on this Selenium IDE icon, that is add-on, and this kind of thing will come up, guys. Now say that record a new test in a new project. Okay, record a new test in a new project. Select this option, give the project name as project 1. Anything you can give, guys. Just I am giving project 1. Say okay. Give the URL. I will give this URL as tutorials ninja demo. Whatever I opened here, I copied and pasted here and say start recording. You see Selenium IDE has started recording, guys. Now whatever you perform will be recorded. Okay, whatever the actions you are performing on this particular application will be recorded by Selenium IDE. Let's say here I am searching for iPhone and I am clicking on this search button. Everything will be recorded, guys. The text I entered here and the button I clicked here, you see everything will be recorded. Now I'll right click on this iPhone and say Selenium IDE. I'll say verify present. Okay, I'll verify whether this iPhone option is present or not in the search results. Verify present. So everything got recorded by Selenium IDE. Whatever the actions I did, all these things got recorded here. As you can see, it opened the application. Then it clicked on the search button. It typed iPhone text into the search box field. It clicked on the search button and it verified whether the iPhone is displayed in the search results or not. Now stop the recording and give some test name, guys. Search test. Okay, give some test name, say search test, and click on OK button. You see, this is how simple you can create the automation scripts in Selenium IDE. You don't have to write any code, guys. For Selenium IDE, you don't have to write any code. Simply start recording and perform the actions on the opened browser, opened application or browser. All your actions that are performed on this browser will be recorded here in the form of commands. Automatically, Selenium IDE will record this, guys. This is a codeless test automation tool, which is one of the component of Selenium, which is in the direction of the codeless test automation. Okay, if some of your resources doesn't know how to program or how to write the automation scripts using some Java or Python language or whatever it is, then they can simply use this record and playback tool, that is Selenium IDE, to record the test. And whenever you want to perform testing, simply select the test and click on this run button, guys. Your test will be running, guys. You see, whatever the actions you performed, that got played back. Simple like recording a video and playing the video back, right? All the results will be displayed here. You see, everything got displayed in green color. That means the test got passed. So this is how simple, guys, Selenium IDE is. This is how simple you can install the Selenium IDE and how simple you can use the Selenium IDE to record a test and play back the test. You don't have to write any code here for creating the automation test. Simply record the test and play it back for running purpose. So hope, guys, you understood how to record and play back using Selenium IDE component of Selenium in this session. So that's it, guys. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye.